Oh, elephants, they're great, aren't they? That one's eyeballing me. Scratching his bum, I do that. He's had a few. Get up, mate. The UK government is considered a world leader in the protection of elephants, even though we don't see them every day unless, you work in a wildlife park. We play our part. We do our bit. But what about this elephant? The one in this room.